Hello dear student, now we are in the next part of the tutorial, and in the basic geometrical idea we will see exercise 4.1. We will refer all the questions of exercise 4.1. So here the first question is, use the figure to name. 5 points are there, so you can easily tell the answer. Here the points means this point is visible D, here it's E, O here, and B, C. Whatever the points are there you can write. So here 5 points I have written. The second is a line. Here you have to think about the line. So here in the previous presentation I told you what is the line concept. So this is the line. You can extend from both the side. That's why arrow is there. Okay. So here in this part, as you know, in the line there is no starting and ending point. So in between you can do any point. Here on that line you can maintain the point like A, B, C, D, means any point you can do there. So same concept we will use here. Here this is the line if you observe. So in between the line many points can be there. So here D point is there, E is there, O is there, B, many point you can put there. So here what lines are there? Basically D and B, it's a clear line. Okay, both side arrow is there. But if you think about the DO, EO, OB, these are also the line, because if you consider OB, from this side you can extend, this side you can extend it. So EO is also line, DE is also line, OB is also line, but here OC is not a line. If you think about that, from here arrow is there, but here in this side arrow is not there, so you cannot extend from here. So OC is not a line. Got that? So here the examples are DE, DO, DB, OE. So these are what? These are the examples of line. 4 rays. So here in the case of ray, clearly OE is a ray. Second example, if we consider here, clearly one more ray is there, that is this one. Here you can take any point like F. So basically OF is also ray, OC is also ray. If you talk about this one, this is also ray. If you fix point O, OB is ray, OE is ray, OD is ray, and here EO is also the ray. If you fix the point E, then O point can be extended, so EO is also the ray. These are the examples of ray. So many examples you can write. And in the case of ray, the important thing is, as I taught you, the ray is having only one direction. You can extend from only one side. So that's why here in the upper side only one sider arrow is there. Here both two sider arrow is there. So this is the symbol of ray, this is the symbol of line. Next one is a line segment. So in the line segment means it is having the fixed length. So these are the example of line segment. OB is line segment, EO, DF, OC, OB, OF, these are all the line segment, because if we consider their fixed side, these are the line segment. It means we cannot extend that. And in the case of line segment we use the symbol, this one, it represents the line segment. So this is all for question number 1. Now 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at time from the 4 given. Here the 4 is already given. This answer is quite easy. You have to do their 12 pair like AB, AC, AD, then BC, BD, BA, then CB, CA, CD. So 4 pair you have to make that. So 12 different combination will be there like this. So this is what the concept of 12 different line, because in the question they are asking the given in all possible way, choosing only 2 letters at given time from the 4 given. So here you have to give the name for the line. 12 combination you have to use there. Third question, use the figure, line containing point E. So you have to pick one line which will contain the E. Okay, so AE is a simple answer, that line which contain the point E. So here many answers are there. One answer is AE, okay, which contain the point E. One more answer we can say here, B is also there, D is also there, because that particular line containing the point E. Then line passing through A. So line passing through A means AD is passing, AB is passing, AE is passing. So these are the answer. One answer is A. Then line on which O lies. Here O is a point which lies on their CO. So in that CO line, or you can say OC, that O point lies. Two pair of intersecting lines. Two pair of intersecting line means you can say here AD is one line if you take, or A you can take, and CO, they intersect at point B. One more is AE, and this FE intersect at point E. So these are the two examples. You can take any one. Many possible examples are there. How many line can pass through one given point? So if suppose one point is there, how many line can be passed? So this is the point. So in this point many lines you can pass like that. There is no restriction for that. So answer is many lines. So this is the example. In this point you can pass many lines. Okay, these are the this is the point and these are the lines. Two given point means you can draw only one line. So suppose this is the start point, end point, so you can drop there, you can put there only one line. So only one line is possible. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following case. Point P lies on AB. So AB is basically the line segment according to this symbol. So P lies there. So P present in between AB, and they have the fixed length. Next one is XY and PQ. They are the line intersect, means they cross at M. Quite simple. These are the two lines. So here you give the arrow also because they are the line and they intersect at point M. Line L contain 3 points but not D. So it containing 2 points E and F, but D is not on the line. Fourth one, OP and OQ, these are the line and they meet at O. So these are the line and they meet at O. Means this is the one point, you can draw there many line. Recently we saw that. Question number 6. Here consider the following figure of the line MN. So whether the statements are true and false, that you have to decide. Here Q, M, O, N, P are the point on the line MN. So MN is the line. You see this is the MN line. So Q, M, O, N, P, these are the points on the line MN. So what will be the answer here? You have to think it's true. Why it is true? Because Q, M, O, N, P, these are the points on the line MN. So friend, this is MN line, basically only O is present, but if you extend that, because line you know you can extend it. So here that's why these points they are present on the line MN. Next one is M, O, N, these are the points on line segment. Now it's a line segment, means fixed length MN. So only one point is there, and M and N, these are the start and end points. So this is also the true. C, M and N are the end points of the line segment, basically true because MN means start with M, end with N. So it is true. D, O and N are the end point of OP. It is not possible. O is present, but here end point should be P because this is the line segment. It is false. Without seeing in diagram also you can answer. E, M is one of the end point of the line segment OQ. M is one of the end point. M is one of the end point. M is not present here also and here, so it is false. So this answer is false. F, M is a point on ray OP. OP is the ray, and what they are telling in this F, M is point. In this ray OP, this is the ray O, we start from here, and this is P, but there is no such point. So that is what false. Then G, ray OP is different from QP. This is OP and this is what Q and P. So they are the same. This is OP ray and the second one is QP. Their start point is different. Okay, so that is what the true, because in the case of G, ray OP is different from ray QP. OP is different from QP. So if you see carefully, their ending point is same, but their start point is different. So ray OP is different from the QP. Next one is H. ray OP is same as ray OM. OP and OM, these are the different, so it is false. Then I, ray OM is not opposite ray of OP. OM and OP, you see, this is OM and this is OP, they are opposite. So what they are telling in the question number I, ray OM is not opposite, so it is false. Then J, O is not initial point of OP, clearly false, because clearly O is the starting point here. N is the initial point of NP and NM, clearly here N is the starting point, so it is true. So in this way you can, by their means name only, you can solve that, but in some question you have to see on this diagram also. So I hope friend you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.